Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today is May 15th, 2:30 in the afternoon when I was walking in the downtown something area. Believe it or not, at the invisible corner I found this local Buddhism temple plus two feline cats. Two cats. And might as well to take a look at the exterior of this temple. One thing I noticed is this temple, firstly there's no English signs, so I I do see the name of the temple in Thai. Unfortunately, I don't read it. So it's sort of a mystery for me. I checked both Google Maps and Apple Maps, but there's no English translation. I see this hall is more like a major worship hall. And there's an entrance here. Says no shoes allowed. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick tour into the worship hall. And there's no lighting out there. No lighting means no allowance to get in, I assume. Okay. Okay. So no allowance. Go to the next building. See how big the building is. There's all those golden decorations. I assume that every single item of this building maybe hundreds of years old. There's a smaller garden here. Those is the green plants. Okay. Everything looks really old. Very old. Okay. Here I found a four-faced Buddha statue. Sawadee krap. How are you today? Thank you. I'm not sure if shoes is allowed to get there or not, but really don't want to take off my shoes again after done it 20 plus times today. So I will just leave from here. It's a little pool / pond here, and I see some cory or what is called those those colorful carp fish. It's called Japanese koi or something. Koi. And I see something like a basa fish down there. If you guys can see it clear enough. But yeah, interesting. I didn't know that basa fish they're kept as as a pet fish. Okay, back to the main hall. Says no shoes allowed. It looks really sacred. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to film it inside, so rather to stop here and jump to the next building. And nice booth here. Okay, I redesign. No smoking. It says no shoes in Thai and English. I already know what kind of goddess the statues are. This is the Guan Yin statue. I'm pretty sure it's the Chinese style Guan Yin statue because I see the Chinese dragon with 5 fingers. Only the most sacred Chinese dragon. If I say most sacred is there are a couple types of Chinese dragon. Some of them with only 4 fingers, some of them only 3. So the most sacred Chinese dragon, they got 5. And this is the place where they worship the Guan Yin Pusa. It's not crowded here. Don't see visitors at all. Maybe I saw one earlier in the Guan Yin worship building. But yeah, really old, really ancient, and everything original, old school. On the right hand side, I assume that's the gift shop where people are able to purchase the worship materials. How are you today? Where people are able to purchase their worship items or worship stuff from. Hi, Sawadee-krap. Another worship, another gift shop. Foods for 25 baht. Alright, that's about it. That's the walking tour of this unknown downtown Bangkok Buddhism temple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.